So the inspiration for the vehicle. So this car is essentially my vision of what a GT2 version of a 930 or 964 would look like.
How you doing? Mark, nice to meet you.
Mike to DL.
Hi,
Nice to meet you. Hey, Richard.
How you doing? Dan Piazza. We ended up finding a tuner, RWB, that does basically a bolt-on look of a wide body kit.
And then we're going to start testing all the functionality, all the buttons and electronics and anything else.
Those are three-piece magnesium BBS wheels are really cool.
So is it street legal then as is?
Yeah, it is street legal. It is street legal.
In all 50 states?
Oh, that's a whole other.
Well, all the seals and everything on the car are all factory. Like this is a factory 964 rear window. We use the 964 rear window in order to get rid of the metal locks. No, 993 quarter window seals. All the trim. This is everything's factory. The dash is actually factory. Now this car came original was I think it was a medium brown leather two-tone. And what a lot of people don't know is underneath that leather is the factory black vinyl. So
I did not know that.
Right. Whenever they have the leather wrap panels, you peel it off and it's a perfect vinyl underneath there to do what you want with. So these are DOT approved harnesses with the push button.
Very cool. Yeah, we toned it down.
Okay, great.
Oh, the gas tank is actually a brand new factory OEM gas tank that's been modified to center fill.
Okay, good. Good. Oh, look at that. That's cool. That's gorgeous.
As far as the engine, had an expert tuner take this vehicle to a whole nother level with the twin turbos. That's pretty much it. I think the execution was there. I'm really proud of the team, both Mike DiDio and Mark Koenig, for putting this together. What you see here is exactly what I had envisioned, and I couldn't be happier. So thanks for taking the time. Appreciate it.